So, good morning. What we will do today is this question for upcoming NEET examination. A very good question for you to practice electromagnetic induction. And what they've done is they have mixed the concept with the 11th standard gravity. Okay, so the free fall kind of stuff. So let's see what is the question. Let's read it and then try to understand. Okay, so the keywords are the free fall and Lenz's law. A square coil, this is a square coil, okay, with its plane vertical, okay, so it's vertically, is released from rest in horizontal uniform magnetic field. So the magnetic field is horizontal, and the coil is actually coming down like a free falling body, right, which extends over a length of 2L. So this is your length of the field. You have to decide the acceleration of the coil. So the choice number one, it's less than g for all the times till the loop crosses the magnetic field completely. B, less than g when it enters the field, and greater than, so on and so forth. Let's analyze what's going to happen, okay, quickly. Now, see, you definitely, you know that if the coil enters the magnetic field, Lenz's law will kick in, right? Lenz's law will kick in, which means the loop is going to experience a repulsive force upwards as it starts and enters the magnetic field, you know, like this. The CD, for example, the CD is here, okay, and this is the way loop looks. It's a square loop, so don't worry about the figure. So it starts entering and it experiences a upward force, which means its gravity is pulling it down and it is experiencing an upward acceleration because of Lenz's law. Lenz's law will introduce current and the loop will experience force, BIL, because of the current induced due to Lenz's law. So potential will get created, current will start flowing, the loop will experience upward force, which means when it goes inside gradually, I mean, it starts entering it, the overall acceleration will reduce. When I said reduce, as in it will be g minus the acceleration which is upward because of the Lenz's law, right? So overall acceleration will go down. Once it enters like fully inside the magnetic field, and you know this is 2L, right? And this is only L. In term, the size of the square is less than the size of the magnetic field. So that means no rate of change of flux, and therefore when it is inside the, you know, fully inside, so far it is fully inside the magnetic field, the gravity is only acting on it. There is no force due to the Lenz's law. There is no force on this because there is no rate of change of flux. As it starts coming out, so let's say it reaches there, right? Now it is on the verge of coming out. When it starts coming out, then again what will happen? It will try to go up, right? It will try to go up because of Lenz's law again. It doesn't want that the flux through the area should change, right? We know d minus d phi by dt will introduce the EMF, which will introduce I because the coil has a resistance. So we will apply epsilon is equal to IR. When I say epsilon, I mean the potential which is generated. So therefore the gravity will again, you know, the body is experiencing weight downwards and upward force because of the Lenz's law, even when it is coming out of the magnetic field. Therefore the net force is going to be again less than the force experienced by the gravity. So again you will have a situation of G minus A. So therefore if you see the choice number 4, it is less than G as it enters and comes out of the field, but equal to G when it is within the field, right? This made a lot of sense to me. Okay, so the choice number 4 is correct. So I have just explained you the way to solve this is, first of all, what entered my mind was the Lenz's law and the gravity. And of course, Newton's law, because I have to apply the net force acting on the body. So simple question, but you should have been able to envisage that Lenz's law and free fall motion and Newton's law is being referred to. So I hope you like this question. I have thousands of videos now. Please use them. Just don't come and see the community forum for seeing the questions. If you go to the videos, you will see more questions there. Apart from what you see on the community tab, which you keep on practicing. If you want to practice more, go to the YouTube videos, and you can also go to the live classes where I'm teaching some students as to how to solve the problems. They're long classes, but if you are interested, you will learn a lot of conceptual knowledge. And again, I'm saying the live classes which I record also have a lot of practice for NEET, JEE, and CBSE. So thank you very much. I hope you liked it. See you soon with the next question.